Okay, look at your book. And now I'm also going to share my screen. Okay, so here it is written that what is a picnic. Okay, so just look at my book and also your book. Okay, and you at the same time need to keep in mind something, that Picnic at the Beach. It is written by Dorothy Aldis. Dorothy Aldis is a writer of this poem. So now mark this, or else you can underline it, that what is a picnic. So if you get this question, that what is a picnic, then from where you have to write the answer, you can also write the answer by yourself, or else just follow this. What is a picnic? A picnic is a great way to enjoy with your family while playing games and eating tasty food. So while we are playing, while we are eating tasty food, so we can enjoy picnic. Okay. So now let's start. We have a rug for sitting on. Our lunch is in a box. The sand is warm, so we don't wear hats or shoes or socks. Sorry. Waves come curling up the beach. We wait. It is fun. Our sandwiches are different kind. I eat the jelly one. Okay. Now let me tell you the meaning. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. Rug means mat. A mat is also known as rug. After that, W-A-R-M. Warm. Warm means not very hot. Warm means not very hot. Warm. Then beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach is an area of sand beside the sea. This area beside the sea. This area is called beach. And what is wade? W-A-D? Wade means walk through water. We all love to walk through water. We all love to do this wading or wade when we visit at a beach site. Okay, so this position or walking through the water is called WADE, wade. Okay, again I am reading out this poem. So listen to me very properly. We wave a rug for sitting on for our we wave a rug for sitting on. Our lunch is in a box. The sand is warm, so we don't wear hats or shoes or socks. Waves come curling up the beach. We wade, it is fun. Our sandwiches are different kind. I eat the jelly one. Okay, now I am going to show you. Now I am going to show you the animation of this poem. Just look at my screen. See. Again, I'm playing this for you. Okay, so funny. After reading this poem, I hope all of you want to go there. All of you wish to go for a picnic at the beach side, and some of you already gone for picnic at the beach side. No? I know. Okay. Sorry. So, do you want to see it again? Okay, for the last time I am playing this video again. See. The exercise of the same chapter we will do later. And before that, let me ask you to read out the poem. Okay? Acha. First, Ayush. Ayush, read the poem. And please, student, don't raise your hand. Let me choose the student. Let me choose. Don't raise your hand.
We have a rug for sitting on our lunch is in a
Box.
The
Sand is warm.
So we
Don't wear hats or shoes
hats or shoes
or
socks.
socks. I can hear him. Okay, ma'am, please don't interrupt. Then, okay, continue. Waves come curling. Waves come curling up the beach. We wait. W-A-D. We wait. It is fun. It is fun. Fun. Our sandwiches
Our sandwiches
are different kinds. Kind. K-I-N-D-S. Kinds.
J-E-L-L-Y.
Jelly one. I eat the jelly one. Do you love to eat jelly with bread? Do you love to eat jelly with bread?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are not feeling well, no? Okay, have some water. Lukewarm water. Okay?
Feeling, ma'am.
Fever. Okay. Okay, Baba. Take rest. Take rest. I'm also not feeling well. Or everyone is not feeling well.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম ও ওটাই চাইছে যে ও ক্লাসটা শুরু থেকেই বলছে যে আমি এক্ষুনি বলবো আমার ফিভার আছে আমি ভিডিওটা অফ করে বসবো আমি বলছি না প্রত্যেকটা ক্লাসে এরকম বলবি না
না আমারও ফিভার সবার ফিভার দেখো কেসেই যাচ্ছি তাও তো ভিডিও অন রেখেছি কি হবে আমি তোমাকে দেখবো তুমি আমাকে দেখবে তাই তো স্কুল হলেও তো তাই করতে ঠিক আছে ওকে টেক রেস্ট হ্যাভ ওয়াটার লিউকওয়ার্ম ওয়াটার যে যাদের এই প্রবলেমটা হচ্ছে গরম জল রাখবে একটা ওয়াটার বটলে ক্লাস করতে করতে অল্প অল্প করে জলটা খেতে থাকবে দেখবে গলাটা ঠিক হয়ে যাবে ওকে ওকে গুড বয় আচ্ছা yesterday those were not asked by me first I will ask them acha Sampriti
Yes, ma'am.
read out the poem
Tag for sitting on. Our lunch is in a box. The sand is warm, so we don't wear hats or suits or socks. Waves come curling up the beach. We wade. It is fun. Our sandwich are different kinds. I eat the jelly one.
Okay, very good. Shivagni,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, unmute. Read the poem.
Okay, ma'am. We have a desk for sitting on our lunch is in a box. The sand is warm, so we don't wear hats or shoes or socks. Waves come curling up the beach. We wait, it is fun. Our sandwich are different kinds. I eat the jelly one.
Okay, very good. Acha.
Thank
Now,
you, ma'am.
welcome. Acha, Nishan. Nishan, read the poem.
We have a rug for sitting our lunch in a
Sitting
box.
on. Complete a
The sand
sentence.
is
Sitting
warm.
on.
So we have our shoes or socks.
So we don't wear hats or shoes or socks. Waves come curling up the beach. We wait, it is fun.
It is our sandwich are kinds. I eat the jelly one.
Okay.
Ma'am completed.
Okay, good. Shumon, read. Shumon, read.
We have a long.
ভালো দেখে পড়ো।
We have a long.
আরে এদিকে দেখে পড় না, হাত দে।
Okay, let him do bite. Okay, do.
পড়ো পড়ো।
We have a
পড়ো
lock.
পড়ো না।
Lock.
আর ইউজি কি হয়? ম্যাম ও একদম বাড়িতে পড়তে চায় না।
কেন?
ও একদম পড়তে চায় না, ওকে জোর করে করে রিডিং করানো হয়। ও রিডিং একদম পড়তে চায় না, ও প্রচুর মানে ভয় করে রিডিং পড়তে।
তাই নাকি? কেন বলো তো সুমন, রিডিং পড়লে কি তোমার বাড়িতে টাইগার, লায়ন, বিয়ার এরা ঢুকে পড়ে? যা, কি হবে এবার? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তুমি আমার সাথে পড়ো তো। ওকে, লেটস স্টার্ট। আচ্ছা, আপনি চুপ থাকুন, ও পড়বে। উই হ্যাভ আ রাগ। শোনো, শুনে পড়ো। ওইদিকে না, ওইদিকে তাকাবে না। লুক অ্যাট দ্য ক্যামেরা অর এলস লুক অ্যাট ইওর বুক। বইয়ের দিকে তাকাও। উই হ্যাভ আ রাগ
We have a rack
ফর সিটিং অন।
for sitting on.
Our lunch is in a box.
In a box.
Our lunch is in a box. Our
lunch
is lunch is
in a box.
the sand is warm. The sand warm.
The sand warm.
So we don't wear. So
we
where? So we don't wear hats or shoes
hat or shoes.
or socks. Socks. Socks mean moja. And the remaining student, all of you read with me. Not only Shumon, Shomodip, all of you. Why are you raising your hand? Everyone read with me. I will not ask you one by one. Read with me. Okay, let's start. Waves come curling. Shivagni, read. Up the beach. Up the beach.
Up the beach.
We wait. We wait.
We wait.
It is fun.
It is fun.
Our sandwiches
Our sandwiches
are different kinds.
are different kinds.
Yes. I eat the jelly one.
I eat jelly. I eat the jelly one.
I eat the jelly one. Okay. Now read it by yourself 2 times. Okay. Read it by yourself 2 times and every day practice reading. I will talk to your mother on Friday. Friday again I will ask her that you are practicing reading, yes or no. If she say that no ma'am, still Shumon is not interested to read a book or anything, that time you will send to the school boarding. You have to do class by staying in the school boarding. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so if you don't want to go there, start reading from now. Okay? Acha. Like this. Acha, please drop your hand. Tirasha Samprikta. Acha, Ashna Naz, what are you doing? Ashna, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
We have a rack for sitting on. Our lunch is in a box. The sand is warm, so we don't wear hats or shoes or socks.
Waves come curling.
Waves come curling up the beach. We wait. It is fun. Our
Sandwiches
and different kinds. I eat the jelly one.
very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome. Rihan Aryan, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
We have a rug for sitting on. Our lunch is in a box. The sand is WRAM. So we don't WRAM. AJTS head or so to or
So,
socks.
1 minute, 1 minute. How you are reading, this is not procedure. Don't utter a word, don't pronounce a word individually. These are not words, but okay. Words are here. These all are sentence. You are reading like this, that we have a rug for sitting on. Our lunch is. So individually you are reading out all the words. Okay, but this is a poem and we should read a poem in a rhyming word, like we have a rug for sitting on. Practice reading like this. এইভাবে না পড়লে তুমি যেভাবে পড়ছো সেটা ভুল, সেইটাই তোমার মনে থাকবে। Don't pronounce a word. একটা করে word কেন পড়ছো? এরকম পড়ো। We have a rug for sitting on. টেনে পড়ো। Continue রাখো রাইমিংটা।
এই শিখছে ম্যাম এখন এই কেটে কেটে পড়ছে।
ওই জন্যই তো শেখাচ্ছি তো ওই জন্য। ওকে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
ওকে পড়ো। We have a rug for sitting on.
We have a rug for sitting on. Our lunch is in a box. The
Sand is warm.
Sand
It is
is
warm.
warm.
So we don't wear
AJTS has or shoe or SOCK socks.
এটা পড়ো
Okay.
Wave, W-A-V-S, wave, C-O-M-E, come,
কাম
come, C-U-R-L-I-N-G,
Curling.
curling, curling,
Curling.
up, down, bridge, bridge, we, W-A-D, wade,
Raisha,
Eat.
what are you doing?
F-N, fan, hour, sandwich, are different, K-I-N-G, skin, I eat the jelly one.
Okay. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, Ifra, I think you are moving. Yes, you inform in the group. Okay, so if you want to leave, you may. You may leave. Okay, no problem. I have no problem. If you want to leave, you may. You are allowed to leave. Okay. As a student, few minutes left only. Let me take the attendance, and those who are interested to read, give me some time. You will also get chance next day. Okay. If I again continue this, I will be unable to take the attendance. Okay. So please don't think that ma'am is not asking us. This is not the matter. Okay. It is not possible to cover 30 students at a time, though every day I try to do that. Okay, day by day, alternatively, you will get chance. Okay, acha. Please drop your hand. Let me take the attendance. Please drop your hand.